listening to music while you study actually helps you remember information better? Many people believe it does. But is this real evidence to support this claim? That's what we're going to explore today.
In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of hypothesis testing. We'll learn what it is, why it's important, and then we'll conduct a simple experiment to see if background music thoroughly impacts memory. Hypothesis testing is a powerful tool scientists use to determine if there's enough evidence to support a claim. It all starts with a hypothesis, an educated guess about the relationship between two things. The null hypothesis HO is our default assumption. In this case, that background music has no effect on memory. Null hypothesis HO. We assume this is true unless proven otherwise. Alternative hypothesis H1 is what we're trying to prove that background music does improve memory. We collect data from our experiment and calculate a p-value. This represents the probability of seeing our results if the null hypothesis were actually true. If the p-value is below our significance level, usually 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude there's enough evidence to support the alternative hypothesis. According to our studies, the average productivity score for the group listened to music is 89%, with a standard deviation of 9. The group who listen to music significantly increases their memory. We surveyed 20 participants who listened to music and found their average score to be 85%. Can we conclude at a 0.05 significance level that listen to music improves memory? Before we solve the problem, let's proceed first in our experiment. As you can see from the data, the group that listened to music recall an average of 89% words correctly, while the group in silence recall an average of 85% words. Using a t-test, we found a p-value of 89%. Since this is greater than our significance level of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. And now, let's go to solve the problem. So, as you can see, our x bar is equal to 89, and our mu is equal to 85, and our standard deviation is equal to 9. And our n is equal to 20.
This suggests that based on our p-value, state that background music improves memory. However, it's important to know that this is a small-scale experiment. So, what have we learned? Hypothesis testing provides a structured way to analyze data and draw conclusions based on evidence. It's not just for scientists, it's used in many fields. Understanding hypothesis testing empowers you to critically evaluate information and make more informed decisions in your own life. So, next time, if you hear a claim, remember the power of evidence based on reasoning.
To music while you study actually helps you. Tama kayo mo? Kayo mo? Kayo mo?
Huh?
Tabang, tabang, tabang. Nakaw dire.
Oh, oh, oh.